How to desalt a ham by boiling.
Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to remove excess salt from a ham by boiling it. This simple method helps make your ham less salty and more enjoyable to eat.
Why is my ham too salty?
Ham can be too salty due to the curing process. Curing involves using salt to preserve the meat and improve flavor. Sometimes, manufacturers use too much salt, resulting in an overly salty ham.
How do I remove the salt from my ham?
The boiling method is effective and easy. Boiling the ham in water helps to draw out the excess salt. It's important to discard the salty water after boiling.
How long do I need to boil the ham?
Boil the ham for 20 to 25 minutes per pound. Boiling time depends on the size and thickness of your ham. Be sure to keep an eye on the ham during the boiling process to avoid overcooking.
What do I do after boiling the ham?
1. Carefully remove the ham from the boiling water using tongs or a slotted spoon. 2. Discard the salty water and rinse the pot. 3. Rinse the ham under cold water to remove any remaining surface salt. 4. Continue cooking the ham according to your desired recipe, e.g., baking, grilling, or frying. Now you know how to remove excess salt from a ham by boiling it. Remember to boil the ham for 20 to 25 minutes per pound, and don't forget to discard the salty water afterwards. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly seasoned ham.